Yet another consumer brand, WakeFit, is going in for an IPO before it has really reached scale or profitability. Yes, this is the rush to the stock market to list and give an exit to guys, the PEs, VCs who have packed it since more than a decade. Yes. So out of the total IPO size, which may be 1500 to 2000 crores, hardly 1/3 of that will be fresh capital which will go into the business. 2/3 or more will give an exit to people like Peak 15, formerly Sequoia, and a lot of divestment by other VCs, Berlin Fest, and to the promoters. Yes, the co-founders are also divesting in a big way. Every VC who's in this company is divesting. All that stock, crores of shares, will end up in the hands of the small investors, the mutual funds, all of whom have supported this market's rise. That flood of liquidity from domestic investors has kept the IPO party going. और पार्टी के चलते नए नए IPOs आ रहे हैं. Liquidity has made everyone an emperor. Every company like WakeFit, which has not yet turned profitable in more than 10 years of its history, hardly 900 odd crores of business. What is 900 crores? Is it a scaled business in today's Indian economy? That too loss making. Most of the new money raised, which is hardly 1/3, about 400 crores, will go again towards simple brand building, store opening, all these kinds of revenue expenditure, not really any capex or any hard assets. These kind of revenue expenditures should have been well taken care of during its formative VC years, but no. अभी भी वही फेज जारी है. सारा पैसा जाएगा. Around 82 crores in new stores, 145 crores to pay lease rents, 108 crores for brand building. Well, इतने साल किए क्या? Out of all that, loss making continues with some deft financial management, God knows operationally or on paper. The losses have been brought down, but it is still a loss making company.